Hi, I just set up this growing system by Growell. The company sent this to me so that I could use it, try it out, and give you my opinion about it. So this video will be video number 1, and hopefully in a month or 2, I will be able to do video number 2 and show you the growth. I have planted some basil seeds. So let me show you the process of putting it together. Okay, this is how it comes out of the box. And the first thing you're going to want to do is lift the light all the way up and then take everything out. I will say the manual is so good at telling you exactly step by step what you need to do. So just putting everything together like the manual says to do. You soak the pods and you soak your seeds, and I'm just spending some time here taking my soaked seeds out and putting them in the dirt pods. And then you've got all of those different sections there where you can put the pods, which I'm speeding up so that you can see that. Now, as your plants are growing, because you're going to want to put that light back down. So as the plants are growing, you can lift that light up so that it's the correct distance. So now just putting the stickers over the top, and then there are little domes that go on top of that to create that humidity, and then we will cap off the empty ones. That humidity and the water inside is really important. So these are just little stickers. I'm doing basil seeds, but you can do little stickers if you're doing different things in there. So then you're going to fill it up with 6 liters of water, 4 to 6 liters of water. And you have the little gauge there, and then it's got 2 ports on the back. The bottom one is for the light, as you can see. The top one is for the motor that keeps the water cycling through. And then you've got the buttons at the top. These are explained in the manual, and then that is the plant food.